Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we can write into like this. About this one, we have the formula in here. So we have sine a square equals to 1 minus cosine 2h over number 2. So we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Now, for this one, we need to find about complementary solution and particular solution. So we need to find the solution of this one, and I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now, because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one cone here, and this one cone here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus number 4 e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. So this one and this one we can do about factorization, and we have e to the power of lambda s multiplied by lambda square plus number 4 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solution of this one. So I will put number 4 go to the right, and we have lambda square equal to negative number 4. And now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have lambda equals to negative 2i, and lambda equals to positive 2i. I in here, that is about the square root of negative number 1. This is about the complex number. So that's why we have like this. And now we have yc equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. We change lambda into negative number 2is. And we have c number 2, that is about e to the power of 2is. And in this one we can write like this. That is about c number 1 cosine 2s plus c number 2 sine 2s. And now we go back in here, we have particular solution. If we look on the right, we see that we have the constant. We have cosine 4s. So in this one, I will put about yb equals to a plus b cosine 4s plus c psi for s. And now if I do first derivative of yb, we just have only negative number 4b psi for s. This one we have positive 4c cosine for s. So, and now about second derivative, we have negative 16b cosine for s. This one we have negative 16c sine for s. Now we have this one in here. So we just have only second and original function. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we will have about negative 16b cosine for s minus number 16c sine for s plus number 4, and we keep the same in here. So we need to simplify, and we need to arrange based on the terms of cosine for s and sine for s. About cosine for s, we have negative 16b, and we have 4b. About sine for s, we have negative 16c plus 4c. The numbers we have 4, 8. So we simplify, and we have negative number 12b cosine for s. This one we have negative number 12c sine for s. This one we have 4, 8. Now we need to know that this one in here equals to this one in here. So we need to compare coefficient. We have 4, 8 equals to 1 over 2. We don't have sine for s, so negative 12c equals to number 0. And the next one, negative 12b equals to negative 1 over 2. And 8, that is about 1 over 8. B, that is, C equal to number 0. And B equals to 1 over 24. So I will put about YB in here. So we put A, B, C, go back in here. Now after we have YB, we can find the final answer. So this one we put in here, and this one we put in here. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.